If you want to get listed on the Whop Marketplace, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps you need to complete so your product is ready for review. We're going to cover the product details section, the page section, and the final save and submit process so you can avoid missing anything important. This is one of those tutorials where getting every detail right matters, because if your marketplace listing is incomplete, it can slow down approval or keep your product from showing the way you want. So if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Whop dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the products area. From there, click on the product you want to list on the marketplace. If you haven't created it yet, you can click Create Product and set it up from scratch. The important thing here is that you're working inside the product configuration area, because that's where all the marketplace information gets added. Now let's start with the product details section. This is the first part you need to complete, and it plays a big role in how your product appears to buyers. Start with your product title. Make sure this is clear, specific, and easy to understand. You want someone to instantly know what your product is about. For example, instead of using a vague name, use something like VIP Trading Community if that accurately describes what you offer. The goal is clarity, not cleverness. Next, add your product headline. This should be a short hook or summary of your offer, and it needs to stay within the character limit. Keep it concise, benefit-focused, and easy to read at a glance. This is one of the first things people may notice, so use it to quickly communicate value. Think of it like a mini sales line that helps people understand why they should keep looking. After that, upload your business logo. You'll want a high-resolution square image here, and a 400 by 400 pixel logo is recommended. This matters because your logo is part of your branding, and a clean, professional image helps your listing look more trustworthy. If your logo is blurry, stretched, or poorly cropped, it can hurt the first impression of your product. So take a moment to make sure it looks polished. Once your product details are filled out, move over to the page section. This part is just as important because it helps complete the full marketplace presentation of your product. Inside the Page tab, you'll need to fill out the remaining assets that buyers will see when they land on your listing. Start with the product description. This should be a detailed breakdown of what buyers get, the main benefits, and why the product is worth purchasing. Try to answer the questions a buyer would naturally have. What is included? Who is it for? What problem does it solve? Why should someone buy it now instead of later? The more clearly you explain the value, the stronger your listing will be. Then add your product media. This is where you upload high-quality promo photos or videos to your media gallery. A 16:9 aspect ratio is recommended because it displays well on marketplace pages, and short videos can help boost conversions by showing the product in action. If you have screenshots, demo clips, or branded promo visuals, this is the place to use them. Strong visuals can make a huge difference when someone is deciding whether to buy. Now that everything is filled in, click Save in the top right corner. This stores all of your updates so nothing gets lost. After saving, go through your Discover application checklist and make sure every required item shows as complete. This step is critical because even one missing field can stop you from moving forward. Once the checklist is fully complete, click Submit for review. That sends your product in for marketplace review so it can be evaluated for listing. At this point, your job is to make sure the information is accurate, complete, and presented professionally. If everything is filled out properly, you'll be in a much better position to get listed on the Whop Marketplace successfully. And that's it. You now know how to get listed on the Whop Marketplace by completing the product details section, the page section, saving your changes, and submitting for review. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.